Bismillah, praise be to God. Before I begin a tour of my garden, please take a picture, a screenshot of this board. Please donate whatever you can through these apps to support my new educational YouTube channel. I have over 100 more informative videos coming, God willing. Now come, let us share some information about gardening. First, we go to the right. See, it is wise to grow your own foods. We planted fruits, vegetables, and spices, basils, mint, okra, green beans, corn, tomatoes, carrots, potatoes, cayenne pepper, beets, cucumbers, watermelon, persimmon, squash, habanero peppers. It is wise to grow your own foods. The best options first, organic farming, where you apply natural pest control techniques that keep the soil healthy and the fruits and vegetables filled with nutrients. Number two, the second option, farmers markets. They have high quality products, not found in mainstream grocery stores. Third, whole food markets. They are considered good for you. Fourth, Sprouts farmers markets. They have fresh and healthy foods that are considered very healthy and good for you. They focus on natural and organic products. The goal, the purpose, the aim is to stay far away from GMO foods, genetically modified organisms. Squash right here. You see, mad scientists, that's what I call them. They alter and change the genes of fruits and vegetables. You see, God creates an apple, rich in nutrients, and man creates an imitation in a laboratory with less vitamins and minerals and more man-made chemical poisons, thus giving us cancers, tumors, heart attacks, and 1,001 other diseases. The fake foods pose a risk to human health and the environment. Let me touch on pesticides, another way of saying deadly chemicals and biological agents. People are becoming aware that many of the pesticides, insecticides, and herbicides are toxic to humans. Not only do these chemicals cause our demise and take our lives, they contaminate the soil, water, and air. A little biology talk. Humans have 11 type cells. Cells make up tissues. Tissues make up organs. While the deadly man-made chemicals in our food chain destroys the organs by stopping their natural functions to keep us alive. And as a result, pesticide causes the death of hundreds of thousands of people every year. Let me show you some more areas where I plan to plant more crops. You see out there, cutting down trees to make room to plant more crops. Starting with apple trees, pears. Had to put up a fence because the reindeers, they love apples. We also have techniques to protect your crops from squirrels, birds, raccoons, etc. There are natural ways to manage invasive species. Check this out. The country of Africa, the continent of Africa. Africa once had no cancers, diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, liver problems, high cholesterol, bad teeth, etc. until the introduction of Western foods. Western diets called SAD, which stands for Standard American Diet. Processed foods, trans fat, saturated fats, refined sugars, harmful synthetic chemicals. These so-called foods damage the gut. And a wise man once said, all diseases begin in the gut, the stomach. Synthetic chemicals are so dangerous. They accumulate in human tissues over time, and constant exposure has been linked to organ cancers and the developmental issues in fetuses. You wonder why so many babies are born with a lot of sicknesses. There were studies done that showed that these chemicals contribute to the intellectual disability in children, affecting their IQ, causing autism, retardation, etc. Once again, listeners and subscribers, grow your own foods. God bless.